Markets holding stable ground at this point, about 0.25%, picking up from the lowest point of the day. 6,055 on the Nifty. You've got the Sensex also in tow with equal amount of gains, 88 odd points higher. That's 0.5% on the Sensex, 20,216. Let's take a quick look at the commodities market, and that's also trading with gains of 0.25% plus on gold, silver, crude oil. Also, remember we've been talking about how most are positive about the prices, going up further from current levels, maybe 63.50 plus on crude oil. Silver is up marginally at 0.1%. Navneet Damani is joining us right now, Associate Vice President Commodity and Currency Business at Motilal Oswal Commodity. Navneet, let's start off first with the global cues on commodities and whether or not there is still some interest from investors and any sort of funds that are flowing into the commodity space.
Definitely there is interest coming into commodities. Precious metals have been really volatile. We've seen inventory outflow from the gold ETF and silver ETF, but that doesn't stops investor interest into commodities. Data coming out from the US have not been really very good, and Fed statement have left the market in a lull, and both hawkish and dovish statements continue to have an impact on the market. So overall, investor interest continues to be active in the market.
What's the call on gold now? I mean, it seems to be a little, a very parted opinion whether or not you should look at buying gold at this point.
Gold has been hovering in a very narrow range of $1,270 to $1,300 over the last week or so. So 1270 looks to be a very strong support, and levels above 1300 can take it further towards 1320 levels. Overall, our bias remains very positive on gold for the short term. We advise buying gold on the MCX on any dips towards 26,500, 26,550 with stop loss below 26,300 for targets about 26,850, 27,000.
After breaching 40,000 on silver, that too has come back up and has stabilized around this level, current level. What do you take for silver? I mean, obviously that moves in tow with gold, so if you've got a buy on gold, it probably similar call on silver as well.
Yeah, as you rightly said, gold, silver generally tend to move in tandem, so dips in silver also can be used as buying opportunity. 40,500, 40,600 is a level where silver looks attractive with stop loss below 39,900 for targets above 41,200, 41,500.
Okay, got that. What's your sense with regards to base metals, copper particularly, and the demand coming in from China is slowing down a bit, so is that going to be weighing down on prices? Yeah, Chinese demand continue to draw down copper, but the Fed statement is what is impacting the precious and base metal complex at the moment. Overall, fundamentally, copper looks to be bearish and can inch down towards 6,600 levels over the next couple of months. But for the short term, 7050 looks possible on the LME. Dips in copper also can be used as buying opportunity. Dips towards 414, 415 looks attractive buying opportunity for stop loss below 412, targeting 422 levels on the higher side. Got that. And crude oil, just one last word on that as well. There is a eminent strength there in the prices because of production supply constraints that we are seeing right now and geopolitical tensions. But with the rupee doing what it's doing and it's still hovering around 60 to the dollar, do you expect to see crude move up further? Yeah, crude oil, another couple of dollar upside cannot be ruled out in crude. We've seen Brent and NYMEX spread almost converging yesterday, and this gives strength to the pair. We expect that bullishness towards 110, 100 level on the upside cannot be ruled out. Got that. Navneet, thanks very much. Really appreciate those quick comments coming there. So a definite positive right now with the short term on gold and silver, and crude oil prices expected to see an uptick as well. Let's take a quick look at Sensex futures right now.